Uh, Hello everyone. Today we will see how to interface a keyboard with the 8051 microcontroller. That is a procedure. Okay. Here I have the program for 8051 interface with the keyboard. This is the program we want to use to interface the keyboard with the 8051 controller. And also I want to, and also I will show the output using 7 segment display. This is the program code. In order to run the code and to evaluate the performance in Proteus, we will need to first simulate this code in Keil software. After creating the X file, uh, we will load the text file to controller in Proteus to run the program for keyboard. So after run the simulations in Proteus, you will get output in 7 segment display. Now I will show how to simulate this program and how to debug this program using Keil software. In Keil software, we use to create text file because these are the assembly language code. In order to run the programs in controller, we need a machine level code. For machine level code, that means we need a hexadecimal, means a export file to load the program to controller. In order to create X file, we need a Keil software. I just copy the program code and I will paste in the Keil software. Okay, first open the Keil new version shortcut in your desktop, and this will show one window with the option called project. Open new microvision project and create one folder in desktop. Okay, in order to easily find the path, go to desktop and create one folder. New folder. Create a folder with the name Keil. So inside the Keil folder, I will going to store my program. Okay. In desktop, I create one folder with Keil. Inside the folder, I will save the file name for my program. For example, here I am interfacing a keyboard. So the name is user defined. You can do any name. So keypad interfacing. Okay, just give the name keypad interfacing, and then click save. This will show one window. Select device for target. Okay, in that you will choose search. In the search window, you can choose 8089. Just type 8089. It will show the device. 8089C51. This is the device we want to uh, use to load the program to create expert. Okay, choose 8089C51 and then click OK. Copy the startup project to folder and add file to project. Yes. Click yes, and then go to the file, choose new. This will open one new window. This is the window we will use to type program for all the interfaces. I already copied the program code in my what we used for my keyboard interfacing. I typed in the notepad. I just copy all the program code by pasting Keil software. Okay, I paste it in the Keil software. So after finished your typing, then go to save. Here we have save option. Click save. Um, so this will and give the name of your file. For example, keyboard INTR, any name you want. And after giving the file name, q.asm as the extension .asm and click save. Okay, then go to the go to the target one. Extend the click plus sign here. You will get source group one. Right click the source group one and add existing file. Okay, in the desktop I stored one key folder. No, it will show the files inside the key. In that, choose keyboard interfacing.asm. This is the file you must need to upload. Click ASM, then click add, then close the window. So when you open the source group one folder, inside that you have the assembly language code for keyboard interfacing. It is uploaded successfully, and then you will need to go to the option for target. In the option for target, choose internal clock frequency as level point 059. Okay, and then go to output. In the top window, we have the target option. First, go to target and assign the clock frequency as level point 059. And go to output, choose create X file. Okay, this option will enable you to create this enable simulator to create X file for our program. This X file is needed in Proteus to run the program. Okay, create X file. Go to device. It automatically select 80 18651 and then click OK. And then choose translate. Okay, this is the first option on left side top. You have the translate. Click the translate. This will show zero warning. Then go for a build, the next icon. Okay, choose build. This is showing zero errors. Then go for rebuild. This is rebuild. If you click rebuild, this will show zero errors. After doing these three different steps, the Keil software will create a X file code for our program, that is keyboard interface. Where to check the X file? We created a folder in desktop. No? Go to desktop. Desktop, I created one file, Keil. In the Keil folder, I have the folder name, that is object. Inside the object, we have the X file. See here, X file. Type X file. Here we have the keyboard interfacing X file. This X file we need in Proteus. These are all the mission level understandable code. When you load this code in Proteus, this will we can able to check the performance of keypad. Okay, this X file is needed while simulating the programs in Proteus. Okay, the X file is stored in the desktop inside the object folder. Okay, this folders to listing an object folder will be created automatically after running the programs in Keil. Inside the object folder, we have the X file. Okay, you need to use this X file to run programs in Proteus. Okay, the steps is over. Now we will need to open the Proteus software to interface keyboard with the controller and also to verify the key, which key is pressed in the keypad. Verify the key, what we pressed in the keyboard. We use 7-segment display to verify the output. Okay, now I open the Proteus. We have the shortcut called Proteus Professional. Just click the shortcut. It will open one new window. Okay, in that you can choose new project. And assign the name for that. Okay, for example, you can do any name, keyboard, anything, and click next. I already saved the same program with the same name. I create keyboard name and I click next, then next, then next. In the three option, choose create firmware project. Okay, family as 8051, controller as 80C51. Okay, choose controller as 80C51. And then click next. Next. This will open one window, source code. Don't use source code. Go to the schematic capture in the left hand side top corner. Schematic capture. You will get 80C51 controller. You will need to load a keyboard along with 7 segment display to verify the key, what you pressed in the keyboard. In order to load the keyboard controller, the keyboard peripheral, go to the you have the option called path and logic. Choose path. If you click path, this will open one window called pick devices. In the keyword, search matrices. Matrix. MATRIX. If you type matrix as keyword, this will display different devices. In this devices, choose keypad small cats. Okay, keypad small cats, and if you click that, this will add these devices in device window. Okay, along with 80C51 controller. If you add keypad small cats, this will show in the device folder. Just click that one and simply paste it here. And click and drag and paste it here. Okay. And then load a 7 segment display to verify the uh, keys. If you press any one of the key, the corresponding key is shown in the 7 segment display. Now to verify the keys first, load the 7 segment display device. So same thing, go to the path, search keyword 7 segment, 7 SEG. In that, if you type 7 segment, this will show some devices. 7 segment anode, 7 segment cathode. Out of this, choose 7 segment common anode, 7 segment common anode. Click that one and click OK. This is added in the device folder. Just click that one and paste it. Just click one time in the window. This will be added in the workbench. Okay. Then you will need to interconnect all the ports, all the pins of the keyboard with all the ports of microcontroller. Similarly, all the output port of controller with the input of 7 segment display. Okay, in the 8051 controller, I assigned the port 1 as input port and port 2 as output port. I will need to connect all the rows and columns of keyboard with port 1 and all the pins of port 2 with port 2 to a 7 segment display. Okay, now see how to connect. Just go to the port 1.0 and connect to the row 1. Similarly, go to port 1.1 and connect to port. Similarly, its own window that will be easy for you to understand. Then pin 4. We connected the first 4 pins of port 1 to row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4 and connect pin 5, a pin on 1.4 to 1.7 to column pins. This one is column 1, connect port 1.5, port 1.4 to column 1 and then port 1.5 to column 2, then port 1.6 to column 3 and port 1.7 to column 4. connection is over. Then we will need to connect the output port of controller to the 7 segment display. Connect one by one. Port 2.0, then second pin of 7 segment display to port 2.1, then third pin of 7 segment display to port 2.2, and likewise for all the pins. Okay, we connected all the output pins of um, controller to the 7 segment display inputs. Then we have the supply pin of 7 segment display. In order to apply the power to the 7 segment display to display different characters numbers in the display, we will need to apply 5 volt to the its power supply pin of 7 segment display. In order to apply the power to 7 segment display, go to the icon on left hand side. Okay, terminal mode. Choose terminal mode. This one, terminal mode. You will get the option default input output VADR power ground. Choose power and click, click in the workbench. You will get a power symbol. Connect using wires. Don't connect directly the power to the ports of 7 segment display. Connect to the power symbol through wire. If you don't use wire, definitely you will not get output. Connect all the components using wires. In order to apply the power to the 7 segment display, double click the power and apply plus 5 volt. Plus 5 volt and click OK. They applied power plus 5 volt to 7 segment display. After connecting all the components, we will need to load the X file. Okay. So if you want to move this window means just go to the right and click and drag and you can move anywhere. So if you want to load X file to controller, double click the file because in Keil software we created one X file that is stored in the desktop inside the Keil object folder. We must need to upload that X file to controller. Double click the controller and go to the program file. Choose the X file. Where we store X file desktop inside the Keil folder. Inside the Keil folder, inside the object folder, we have the X file for Keil. Just load that X file and click OK. Now the step is over. Now simulate the program. Now to run the program, run the connections. At the bottom, we have the run option. Run the simulation. Click that one. It is simulating. Okay. It is simulating. If you press any of the keys, there is an error, I think. Load the X file properly. Go to Keil objects, load the explain, click OK, apply the power plus 5 volt. Okay. Don't apply any power. By default, it is taking power. Okay, no need to apply plus 5 volt. By default, it will it and the power supply is 5 volt. Just put power here connected to a LED. So if you press any one of the key, this will display the numbers. This one is 0, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So don't see the letters inside the keypad. I assign the first key as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So if it is second number, this will display 1. Then third number 2, fourth number 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. This will display different characters. Okay, I hope you understood that. If you want to pass the simulation, click the rectangle icon below. Yeah, I hope you understand how to connect controller with the keypad, how to verify the output using 7-second. So if you have any queries, please kindly post your queries in the chat box. Thank you.